Please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Now then, where are we? I'm out of breath, that's what I am after running up them steps. I'm off to Preston to buy myself some muck boots, some wellies. They don't have them here, so I'm going to get... Oh, I'm unfit. So I'm going to get the train. Look at the light up there at that castle. That would be spectacular. A little bit of photography. First of all, I've got to nip into town and pick my new glasses up. I've got my camera in my bag. I might do a little bit of photography in Preston if there's some nice golden light later on. I'm halfway through 48-hour fast. A few hunger pangs, but nothing too serious. I won't be able to eat anything until around about 8 o'clock in the morning when I wake up. But I might be getting up earlier and heading to the lakes, so I'll take my first meal with me and possibly have it on the way up there. I was going to go today, but the forecast gave showers all day, but look, it's nice. Tomorrow probably be raining. But I'm going to have a bit of a moan now about YouTube. I put a video up after not posting for over 12 months saying that YouTube were going to demonetize me if I didn't upload any videos during the next month. I uploaded 6 videos and they sent me an email the other day. They demonetized me. I've fallen below the watch hour criteria. So what I have got to do now is get 2,500 watch hours before they monetize me again. So that's what I'm going to ask you lot, if you can help me. It'd be much appreciated if a number of you could click on the playlist that I've created. It's the only one I've got. I think it's called I Really Love YouTube. And click it and just let it run. You don't even have to watch it. And that should quickly get my viewing hours back up, because when I get back to Thailand, obviously I want to be monetized. I don't want to have to use my Thailand videos to get the algorithm and everything back. So if you could do that, it would be fantastic. As a guide over the next few videos, I'll put the total of hours needed just up here. So hopefully you can see it getting less.
สถานีต่อไปนานา Next station นานา
Right, I've got to get a bus to Deepdale Retail Park. You could not make it up. What a kerfuffle. I asked one stagecoach guy how to get to Deepdale Retail Park. He didn't know, but he said get on the Longridge bus, get off on Blackpool Road. Well, that's no good to me. I don't really know where that is. And there was no bus in anyway. The next one was 20 minutes. So I walked further down. A bus, sign, Deepdale. I said to the driver, does this go anywhere near Deepdale Retail Park? He didn't know. He wasn't English, but he didn't know. He could hardly string a sentence together. I said, well, take me to the football club. 3.50, he said. No, it's not. Pay no more than £3. So I just turned and I'm walking. Absolute shite. This country, it has fallen into disrepair.
Turn left onto St Paul's Road.
I am doing.
Turn right onto Borough Road.
Look at them dark clouds up there. You just know now, don't you? You know what's going to happen. I don't know if you can see, but look at Preston Stadium, the white floodlights against the black clouds. Looks quite good. It's pretty striking. So I'm going to take a right shortly. I'd say one thing though, around here, it smells lovely. Curry, all that sort of Asian food, absolutely beautiful. Wafting about in the streets. I'm on a diet, you know, and it's making me feel hungry. £75 for a scratty little bottle of water. Right, we've made it. Nice little walk that. Straightforward. Saved myself £3.50. A rip-off bus that have probably not brought me much nearer than when I've walked. Go outdoors, over yonder. I've decided I'm going to wear my wellies when I bought them, if they've got them in, because that is not guaranteed in this country. But if they've got them in an 8, in the boots that I like, I will wear them back. I'll walk back and break them in a little bit, put my trainers in my back. Because when I get into the town centre, with this nice light and the clouds, I'm going to try and do a little bit of photography. It'll be a bit difficult with a big pair of wellies under your arm. That's my art going, because I'm going to spend some money in this shop. Right, there's a mountain warehouse. I'm going to look in there first and then have a look and go outdoors and compare the prices. You never know. You never know. You could save yourself a few quid for something similar. Right, I've seen these here in Mountain Warehouse and the £49.99, 30 quid off. I've tried an 8 on and a 9, but the 9 was a little bit too big. So I'm just going to probably get them, but I will have a look and go outdoors first. But I know I'll probably come back for these. Like they're the Muck boots, but it seems rock solid. Not for me, plus they're 108 quid. I know I'll get my discount off. And then there's these, similar to the other ones. They're 55 with the discount, so I might as well get the other ones. Right, I've got them on. They're rubbing already. They've only come 25 metres. You couldn't make it up. I couldn't do that before. Right, I've only been walking about half an hour and I've only took the skin off my right heel. No, they're fine. Comfy as out. So these won't be a problem, these wellies. So I don't know if we're going to do any street photography or not. It's gone dull. But if the sun does come out, I'll take a few snaps. But if it doesn't, we'll call it a day for this video. And if you could, just press that playlist and try and get them watch hours, which I've left up here, reduced so that I can get monetized again. It'd be much appreciated. So until whenever and wherever, in a dull and gloomy Preston, over and out.